The battery of your smartphone is the most important and also the most abused component. The battery health of your smartphone continues to deteriorate. And after 6 months of buying a new smartphone, you are no longer happy with the battery time you are getting. A lot depends on how you use your smartphone and more importantly how you charge it. If you wish to extend the battery life of your smartphone, watch this video till the end and these tips might help you. First, never let the battery level go down to 0%. Always charge your phone when you see the battery level go below 20%. Don't use your device to exhaust the battery completely and then put it on charge. Second, don't charge your phone throughout the night, and never overcharge your smartphone. Most phones get fully charged within 90 minutes. So, it's a bad idea to charge the battery throughout the night. Overcharging the battery deteriorates the battery's health faster. Third, it's okay not to charge your smartphone to 100% every time. To improve battery health, it's advisable to stop charging when the smartphone gets around 90% battery level. This prevents overcharging and the battery life doesn't get affected. Fourth, use power saving mode when not playing games. Power saving mode is not just meant to be used when your phone is running out of battery. When you are not playing games or doing serious multitasking, using power saving mode helps improve battery health. You don't always have to run your phone on all cylinders. Fifth, disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when not required. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will decrease the battery life of your smartphone because they will enable background downloads and other activities when you are actually not using your phone. Download something like app updates or downloading pictures from WhatsApp, etc. Sixth, don't use unauthorized chargers and charging cables. Wireless or wireless reverse charging is another convenient way and should be used only when there's a genuine need for it. Using this feature always impacts the battery life of your phone gradually. I hope these 6 tips are useful to you in some or the other way. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends or colleagues for which might benefit them. And yeah, like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until next time, thank you for watching. We'll catch you up in the next one. And you guys have a great day.